everyone, this is Rana and today I'm going to show you how to make an origami paper dog like this. So to make an origami paper dog, we need a square paper and a black marker for drawing its eyes, nose, ears and legs. So let's get started. Hold one corner of the paper and fold it to the opposite corner. Make sure your folds are proper. Do the same with the other side. Fold it into a triangle. Open it. Now we get two diagonal lines and a point in the middle. Hold one corner and fold it till that point, like this. I'll show it to you again. Hold the corner and fold it till the point, like this. Do the same with the other two sides. Now we get 4 flaps. Open the flap on the left side. We get a vertical line. Hold the corner and fold it till that vertical line. Close it. Hold the corner of the flap on the right side and fold it a bit above this edge. Hold the edge on the down and fold it into the half. Make sure these two flaps, all the flaps are inside. We do this fold to get the dog's tail. On the opposite side, we have 2 flaps. Hold the upper flap and fold it like this. These 2 corners should join to make a slanting line. I show it to you again. These 2 corners should join to make a slanting line. Like this. Again we have a flap inside. Open it. Now you will see that the upper flap is not straight. It's a bit slanting. We are going to hold the corner and make sure that this edge matches with this edge and both the lines are proper. Like this. Turn it around. Do the same. Hold the flap. Fold it. These 2 corners should join to make a slanting line. We have to make sure that these 2 points are matching while we fold it. Again we have a flap. Pull it outside. Again the line is slanting. We have to pull it and change the fold. Now our dog is ready. Take the black marker and draw the eyes. And the nose. But we have a pocket-like thing over here. Put your finger and open it. Now on the corner, draw its nose. And the ear. like this. Do the same on the other side. Make the ears and the legs. Now our origami dog is ready. Thank you for watching our video. If you like our video, please put a big thumbs up in the column down below and subscribe our channel Ramenas.thehandcraftedmemories. Bye. Have a nice day. We'll see you in our next video.